Welcome to Day 3 of our Windows 10 and 11 operating system guide for 2025. Today, we're going to show you how to use File Explorer, your main tool for managing files and folders on your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Opening File Explorer. There are two simple ways to open File Explorer. Option 1. Click the yellow folder icon on your taskbar. Option 2. Press the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. Either way, File Explorer will open instantly. Step 2. Understanding the layout. When File Explorer opens, here's what you'll see. On the left side, there's the navigation pane. This gives you access to common folders like this PC, downloads, documents, and pictures. In the center is the main window, where your files and folders are displayed. At the top, you'll find the toolbar. Here, you can create folders, change views, and sort files. Step 3. Exploring common folders. Click on this PC to see all your drives and folders. Downloads is where your web files are saved. Documents is perfect for saving your Word files. Pictures holds your images and screenshots. If you're signed into a Microsoft account, you'll also see OneDrive for cloud storage. Step 4. Creating a new folder. To make a new folder, right-click anywhere in a blank space. Then choose New and click Folder. Now, type a name for your folder. Press Enter to save it. Step 5. Moving and copying files. To move a file, just click and drag it into a folder. To copy a file, right-click it, choose Copy. Then, go to the new folder, right-click again, and select Paste. Step 6. Using the search feature. Need to find a file? Click the search bar at the top right of File Explorer. Type the file name or part of it. Windows will quickly show matching results. And that's it. Now you know how to open, use, and organize your files with File Explorer. A few simple skills that will help you stay in control of your digital world. Like this video if it helped you. Comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe and join us tomorrow for Day 4, where we'll explore the Start menu and Taskbar. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.